Your brain is the most sugar-sensitive organ in your body. High A1C is literally shrinking it. The fog that isn't just aging. Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you were there? Or perhaps you've noticed that you are struggling to find common words, or that your mental sharpness feels like it's been replaced by a persistent, heavy fog. Many people in the diabetic community dismiss these moments as just getting older, or a side effect of a busy life. But if you have been struggling with insulin resistance or a high A1C, these aren't just senior moments. They are biological warning signs. I want to confirm right now that you are in the right place. If you are terrified of losing your cognitive independence, or if you've watched a loved one struggle with memory loss, today's discussion is the most important one we've ever had. We are diving into a field of science so groundbreaking that researchers have coined a new term for it: Type 3 diabetes. We are going to reveal exactly how high blood sugar rusts your neurons, why insulin resistance in the brain is the leading driver of memory loss, and, most importantly, how you can use metabolic strategies to clear the fog and protect your mind for the decades to come. The brain-sugar connection. What is type 3 diabetes? For a long time, we thought the brain was insulin independent, meaning it didn't need insulin to take in sugar. We now know that was a massive scientific oversight. Your brain is a massive consumer of energy, and while it can take in some glucose without insulin, the memory centers, specifically the hippocampus, are incredibly sensitive to insulin signals. When you have type 2 diabetes, your body's cells become deaf to insulin. This same process happens in the brain. When your brain cells become insulin resistant, they can no longer effectively turn glucose into energy. Imagine a city where the power plants are full of coal, but the wires are cut. That is what is happening in your brain. Your neurons are surrounded by sugar, but they are essentially starving in the midst of plenty. When a neuron starves, it shrinks, it loses its connections, and eventually, it dies. This is the biological foundation of early memory loss and eventually cognitive decline. The sticky protein problem. Amyloid plaques. One of the most dangerous side effects of high insulin levels is what happens to the trash in your brain. Your brain has a natural cleaning crew, an enzyme called insulin-degrading enzyme, IDE. As the name suggests, its primary job is to break down insulin once it's done its job. However, this same enzyme has a side hustle. It is responsible for cleaning up amyloid beta, the sticky protein plaques that are the hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Please hit the like button, subscribe to Diabetes Medic, and leave a comment sharing your current fasting schedule. Here is the shocker. Your cleaning crew, IDE, prefers insulin over amyloid. If your insulin levels are constantly high because of a high-carb diet or insulin resistance, the IDE stays busy cleaning up the excess insulin and ignores the sticky plaques in your brain. Over years of high A1C, these plaques build up, eventually suffocating your neurons. This is why people with diabetes have a 65% higher risk of developing Alzheimer's. By lowering your insulin through the strategies we discuss on this channel, you are essentially freeing up your brain's cleaning crew to go back to work and sweep away the debris of memory loss. Brain fog versus brain damage, recognizing the signs. It is important to distinguish between brain fog, a temporary metabolic slowdown, and cognitive decline, structural damage. Brain fog. This is often caused by the glucose roller coaster. When you eat a high-carb meal, your sugar spikes and then crashes. During that crash, your brain loses its primary fuel source, leading to irritability, lack of focus, and that heavy head feeling. This is reversible within days of starting our 7-day reset. Early memory loss. This is more persistent. It manifests as forgetting recent conversations, losing items constantly, or struggling with spatial navigation, getting lost in familiar places. This suggests that the insulin resistance has moved into the hippocampus. While this is more serious, the brain has remarkable plasticity. meaning it can heal if the metabolic environment changes. The A1C Brain Shield Protocol. How do we stop the progression of type 3 diabetes? We have to provide the brain with an alternative fuel source and lower the systemic inflammation caused by high sugar. Switch to ketones. As we discussed in our breath and urine script, when you lower your carbs and practice intermittent fasting, your body produces ketones. Ketones are a superfuel for the brain. They cross the blood-brain barrier easily and provide energy even to neurons that are insulin resistant. This is why many people feel a mental surge after 16 hours of fasting. The vitamin B1 Shield. High sugar depletes thiamine. B1. Without B1, your brain cannot process glucose. This leads to a specific type of brain shrinkage. By using the A1C repair kit nutrients like benfotiamine, you ensure your neurons have the spark plug they need to keep the lights on. The sleep cleanup. Your brain's glymphatic system, its internal plumbing, only turns on during deep sleep. If your blood sugar is high at night, you won't reach the deep sleep stages required to flush out those amyloid plaques. This is why our vinegar trick and kitchen closed rules are so vital for your memory. They protect your sleep quality. The broken record of metabolism. If you feel like your memory is slipping, don't wait for a formal diagnosis. The brain starts changing 10 to 20 years before the first major symptom of memory loss appears. Every time you choose a protein anchor over a sugary bagel, you are quite literally saving your future mind. Every time you stick to your fasting schedule, you are giving your brain's cleaning crew a chance to clear out the biological rust. Your brain is the most precious thing you own. It is the seat of your personality, your memories, and your connection to your loved ones. Diabetes tries to steal that from you one neuron at a time, but you have the tools to fight back. By controlling your A1C, you aren't just saving your feet or your eyes, you are saving you. The link between diabetes and memory loss is no longer a theory, it is a clinical reality. But type 3 diabetes is not a death sentence, it is a call to action. By understanding that your brain is suffering from a fuel delivery problem, you can change the fuel. Through intermittent fasting, high-quality fats, and strict glucose control, you can relight the neurons that have gone dim. Start today. Clear the fog, protect your hippocampus, and keep your memories where they belong, with you. Hit the like button, subscribe to Diabetes Medic. Don't miss the next video where we reveal Gut Hack, the bacteria lowering your sugar while you sleep. Leave a comment. Let us know below. Thank you for watching.